DigitalBix fashions. A comfortable pair of jeans may be your go-to for all seasons, but skirts can help you seriously jazz up your look. If you are looking for gorgeous patterns that you can try, here are 5 of the best skirt patterns for ladies. Number 1. A-line skirt. A beautiful floral type of skirt is the best piece of clothing to don on a bright summer day. It's playful, fun, and you can team up with a variety of tops. Your look can be fresh every time you wear it depending on how you pair this skirt. Number 2. Bodycon skirt. Stripes are a great option when it comes to shifting between casual and formal looks. All you need to consider is the fit and style of the skirt. Pleasing colors, a proper top and accessories that will help you make the shift. Number 3. Box pleated skirt. Knit skirts somehow give a pleasant fall-winter feel, and if you are looking for a serious fashion makeover, turn to a box pleat skirt pattern instead of trousers this season. This knitted skirt pattern will look amazing with a fitted blazer or a trench coat. Number 4. Wrap around skirt. Coachella might be gone, but you can carry the vibe with you by wearing this wrap around skirt. It has a beautiful print which is among the best wrap around skirt patterns. Add some more hippie influences to your look by combining the skirt with a loose fitted top or a body hugging top and some tie-up flats. Number 5. A symmetrical skirt. Asymmetrical printed skirts are all the fad this season. You might as well give them a try. Their hemline adds to your appeal and also gives you plenty of options to find a complementing top. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashion.